Namaste dosto, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the mind-boggling world of quantum physics. It's a field that has puzzled the greatest minds in history, from Albert Einstein to Richard Feynman. So get ready to have your mind blown wide open, because we're about to explore some of the most amazing facts about the quantum realm.
Our first stop on this quantum journey takes us to the concept of superposition. In the quantum world, things can be in multiple states at the same time. Imagine an electron, that tiny particle that zips around the atom. Quantum physics tells us that this electron doesn't have to be in one specific place at a time. Until we open the box, the cat is, according to quantum mechanics, both alive and dead. It's only when we make an observation, when we open that box, that the cat's fate is decided. Superposition tells us that the act of observation, of measurement, forces the quantum world to choose a state.
Get ready to enter the Twilight Zone, folks, because things are about to get really weird. We're talking about quantum entanglement, a phenomenon so bizarre that even Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. These entangled particles are connected, no matter how far apart they are. If you change the state of one entangled particle, its partner instantly reacts, in the exact opposite way, as if they're communicating faster than the speed of light. It's as if the act of observing one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance.
In the quantum world, even the act of observing can change the very nature of what we observe. This leads us to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, a fundamental concept that throws a wrench into the gears of classical physics. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle tells us that we can never know both the exact position and the exact momentum of a particle simultaneously. The more accurately we measure one, the less we know about the other. This principle isn't a limitation of our instruments. It's a fundamental truth about the nature of reality. The quantum world is inherently uncertain, and that, in a strange way, is a beautiful thing.
Chapter 4. Wave-particle duality. Light's double life. We're diving into the heart of wave-particle duality, a concept that blurs the lines between what we think we know about waves and particles. The famous double-slit experiment showed us that light can behave like a wave, creating interference patterns when passed through two slits. But here's the kicker. Light can also behave like a particle, called a photon, carrying discrete packets of energy. This duality isn't limited to light. It applies to matter too. Even those solid objects you see around you have a wave-like nature, though it's usually too small to detect. It's a mind-bending concept that forces us to rethink the very nature of reality itself.
Chapter 5. Quantum tunneling. Through the looking glass. Get ready for a truly Alice in Wonderland experience as we explore quantum tunneling, a phenomenon that allows particles to defy the seemingly impenetrable walls of classical physics. Electrons, those tiny particles that carry electricity, can tunnel through barriers they shouldn't be able to cross, thanks to the probabilistic nature of the quantum world. Classical physics says you can't walk through it, but quantum mechanics says there's a tiny chance that you might just suddenly find yourself on the other side, as if the wall wasn't even there.
Chapter 6. Quantum computing. The future is now. Traditional computers, the ones we use every day, rely on bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. But quantum computers, they use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both simultaneously thanks to, you guessed it, superposition. This mind-boggling ability allows quantum computers to perform multiple calculations at the same time, giving them incredible processing power. From developing life-saving drugs to designing new materials and revolutionizing artificial intelligence, the possibilities with quantum computing are truly limitless. It's a glimpse into a future where the impossible becomes possible.
Well, there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the astonishing world of quantum physics. From cats that are both alive and dead to particles that communicate faster than light, the quantum realm challenges our very notion of reality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing quantum physics facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.